husband. This is it. This is the day I prayed for. Minanifest talaga kita. Since college, sabi ko gusto ko engineer. Gumana naman ng mga daos and karayon. Prayers pala, prayers. Binigay ka sa akin ni God. So I know that what we have is God's blessing.
To my chubby husband, whatever path you choose to take, know that I will always be here, waiting for your safe return to the home we will build together. From this day forward, I love you, drive safe. Goodbye.
Baka may susi dyan, ha? Check nyo. Sabi na, merong ano eh.
Oy, 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 oy. Dami mag-save.
Parang yung mga pinagdaanan ko, all made sense now. All my struggles and challenges. Alam mo lahat yon, all my whys and what ifs. Kaya pala, kasi kailangan ko lahat pagdaanan yon. Piniprepare pala ako ni Lord para sa greatest blessing niya. All the rough roads, twists and turns, all leads up to this day.
Taking a breath so you know you've got some time to write another chapter. No need to put on a show. Going to find out happy ever after.
Hi Kat, this is it. Hope maging happy ka sa gift kahit di ito black na bag. This watch symbolizes that our time is limited in this world and I choose to spend it with you. Sana mas mahaba ang battery nito kaysa Apple Watch. Love you. Ayan. Nung una, medyo nakakaduda. Because the relationship is too easy. Ang gaan, parang normal ba to? Ganun ba talaga? I stopped. No, I forgot. I forgot counting the years. Kasi parang di naman matatapos. Parang wala nang sense magbilang.
Our story starts with a simple swipe and hi. Last 2018. And now, we say I do. This 2025. We changed from Munch and Kim to Mayong and Wiwang Ninang mga.
I just wanna be where you are. You feel like home. Ooh, 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 ooh. You feel like home.
Everything we have since the start will just continue to grow. But starting today, we will go through life as Mr. and Mrs. Magsakay na. As a family, we will be each other's home for the rest of our lives. I will always be excited to come home and be in your arms.
Sana maging happy ang marriage.
Sit down a little magic where the sea meets sky.
Even with these changes, my love does not diminish, but it grows more as time passes by. My promise is to always be by your side on the ups and downs of life. I will always love you for who you are, and I will always support you on the things that you want. Huwag lang singing, bigay na natin sa Spotify yun.
I just wanna be where you are. You feel like home. Ooh, 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 ooh.
sasamahan kita sa pagiging masaya, malungkot, nagulat, at umiyak sa panunood ng K-drama. At sa buhay. I'm lucky to have you in my life. Kaya't natago ko muna ng asin. Baka mamagbago pa ang isip mo eh. I will always love you in this lifetime and the next. Love you.
It's the magic of the moment. It's the memories that we're holding. I wanna feel this way forever.
Kayo ba ay handang tarugain ang sarili mga anak? Ibig siya ng Panginoon Diyos, hindi lang mapuputing mamamayang Kristiyano?
Opo, Father.
Opo, Father. Sa harap ni God, I promise to stay with you para bisitin ka araw-araw. Para ko rin ng kilikili mo kahit anong oras. Para hawakan ang kamay mo at itaas para sa lahat ng panalo mo natin. At mas higpitan pa ang hawak pag mahirap ang laban. Pakyaw ka. I love you always and forever, my husband.
Looking in the summer, next to each other. No matter where we go, it feels like home. It feels like
Fire na, fire na.